Today, my wife made the first Filipino food that I fell in love with. This is called giniling na baka, adobong kangkong. So giniling in Tagalog is ground, baka is beef. So giniling na baka is just ground beef. But this dish has potatoes, carrots, tomato paste. Kangkong is Chinese water spinach. And adobo is the flavor, which is just soy sauce, sugar, and vinegar. So giniling is usually served with itlog ng pugo, which is quail eggs. We didn't have any quail eggs today. We just went with boiled eggs. Oh my gosh. It is so saucy, so flavorful. Now this kangkong, we can rarely find it here in the US. Most Asian groceries don't have it, but we found it online. It's perfect. So if you've never tried giniling before, I'd highly recommend it. I think I have a recipe video on my YouTube from years ago. So you can go search on YouTube, Kuya Jake Giniling, and this will pop right up. It's fantastic. Garlicky, that kangkong. Oh my god. Nag-enjoy. Something I forgot to mention, I cannot have my giniling without a cup of cold Coke. Now that's the perfect dinner.